To understand what is the TQM model, TQM models, TQM has also been defined in form of model, जिसको हम लोग समझने की कोशिश करेंगे एंड जो इम्पोर्टेंट मॉडल्स है उनके बारे में हम लोग डिस्कशन करेंगे। पहला आता है इंटीग्रेटेड मॉडल ऑफ TQM, जो कि इंटीग्रेटेड मॉडल TQM जो कि प्रपोज किया था बाय सोहाल एंड टे विथ इन द ईयर 1989। विच ईयर? 1989 में ये मॉडल आया था। और दिस मॉडल कंसिस्ट ऑफ 5 इंपॉर्टेंट एलिमेंट्स में बात की गई थी, जो कि है पहला, there are 5 important elements is the customer focus, management commitment, total participation, and statistical quality control जिसको बोलते हैं SQC, and systematic problem solving process। एन इंटीग्रेटेड मॉडल ऑफ TQM में हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं जो 5 important elements हैं। what are the 5 important elements is customer needs, management commitment, total participation, SQC in statistical quality control, and systematic problem solving process। This is the TQM models में फर्स्ट इंटीग्रेटेड मॉडल का हम लोगों ने बात की। इसको हम लोग इस तरह से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं। अब यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं डायग्राम में देर हुआ in center TQM mission continuous quality improvement program, and there are 5 branches in this: customer focus, total participation, quality improvement, statistical quality control, and systematic problem solving focus. This is the model of integrated model of TQM. In this, there are model stresses that the mission of continuous quality improvements can be achieved to deliver satisfied service to the customer. In this, there are also internal and external, by first involving peoples at the grass root level, second improve their moral sense of belongings and responsibility, and further using statistical technique to analyze collected data and adopting PDCA cycle. Then now we discuss the quality, the building block of TQM. And there are a building block of TQM. Zaris proposed the building blocks of TQM model in 1991. This model looks at TQM at 3 levels. These are: first is the foundation, second one is the pillars, third one is the top. According to this model, TQM depends on 3 building blocks which together determine the strength and safety of the organization. This is the building block of TQM. And it also stresses that the weakness in one area will have a disastrous effect on TQM process as a whole. So first one is the discussion with integrated model of TQM, and second one is the building block of TQM, and now we discuss that is your third, the house of TQM model. This is the diagram. This one is the house of TQM मॉडल बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक ऑफ। बात करते हैं अगर हाउस ऑफ TQM मॉडल जो कि प्रपोज किया था बाय कैनो ने इन 1993 में। इन विच ईयर? रिमेंबर 1993। in 1993 he discussed that it shows the structure of TQM and quality switching theory for introducing TQM. In this, in the house of TQM, the portion from the floor up to the roof in TQM and the floor signify motivational approach, and the roof shows customer satisfaction, quality assurance, which is the aim of TQM. And the 3 pillars of the house of TQM models are concept, technique, and vehicles. These are the 3 things, 3 pillars of the house of TQM: concept, technique, and vehicle. This one is the foundation, this one is the pillar, this one is the top. अगर टॉप पे देखोगे तो आपको यहाँ पे मिलेगा क्वालिटी प्लानिंग, लीडरशिप, विजन फॉर द वर्ल्ड क्लास कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस। पिलर्स में बात करेंगे SPC SQC, यूजर सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट कंट्रोल सिस्टम MCS, प्रोसेस फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, वर्क प्लेस फॉर डिजाइन। And the foundation is the continuous improvement, added value management activity, and there are employee involvement. The building blocks of TQM model. What is their motivational approach? It implies creating conditions that will impel management and employees to carry out sweating work, that is a hard work such as a promoting standardization, educating, training, collecting and analyzing data. Concept, that is first pillar. It shows that to how to proceed from a particular perspective to achieve satisfaction of the customer, and when a given intrinsic technology and motivation already exist. This is the concept. And next one is the, that is your technique. Technique is the second pillar. In this second pillar, when actual activities based on the concept begin, some technique, that is the second pillar, for the collecting and analyzing data become necessary. The 7QC tool example, that is scatter diagram, check sheets, graph and charts, histogram, pattern diagram, cause and effect diagram, control chart are the typical technique for this quality technique for the purpose along with the statistical method. Quality assurance, this one is the concept, techniques and vehicles. This is a motivational approach and interesting technique. This one is the as shown is diagram. Then what is the vehicle? That is the third pillar. In this third pillar, it includes the management by the policy, routines, management and the quality circles, quality control circles for promoting the quality improvement activities effectively and efficiently. This is the model. In this model, we have discussed first, that is your TQM model. First, that is discuss integrated model of TQM, and this one is the basic five important elements in the quality improvement: statistical, systematic problem solving, customer needs and total participation, where we discuss the building blocks of TQM. Found is foundation, pillars and the top, house of TQM model, and then a house of model TQM model, the top, pillars, foundation. And we also discuss the motivation approach, concept, technique, quality assurance. In their quality assurance there are three major: concept, techniques and vehicles. It is includes the management by policy, routine management and the QC circle for promoting the quality improvement activities effectively and efficiently.